Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday. Wanted to come with you with my issue with wallpaper today. Wallpaper is a scam, in my opinion. Now, I do admit, technically, it is my fault because I applied some girl math and I did not carry the one, and it cost me time and money that I was, of course, not planning on spending. So I got this beautiful wallpaper from Cole & Sons. This is the Nini in cream. And initially I just ordered one roll because I thought one roll would be enough to do my bathroom, or at least be enough for a wall. And although you cannot see too clearly here, let me turn on the light. That light's not great. And I was trying to save it for some grand reveal, but isn't this paper pretty? It only really was enough to cover like a half a wall. And part of the issue with that is, it's like when you have patterned wallpaper, it has a repeat pattern, so you have to cut it in certain places in order to get it to match. And of course that eats up on the length of the wallpaper. So I had to order a couple more rolls, which cost me a pretty penny because this wallpaper came from overseas, and this is from I told you, the South African designer. And so I am waiting for the wallpaper specialist to get here so he can finish the bathroom. And then I'm also going to have him do the kitchen. So this is also by Cole & Sons, and I got two rolls of wallpaper, and I think it should be enough. And this is the Savanti, also in cream. And the goal is, and hopefully I'll try, if he'll let me, I'll try to record him. I apologize about the bad light in here. See if the light actually helps. Not really. So I'm going to have him wallpaper this wall because it's just a plain wall. I'm going to have him do this side wall here, and eventually the refrigerator is going to be here. I'm going to have uppers and lowers over here and a pantry. Have him wallpaper this wall over here, above that area here, and then to frame this window. And so hopefully it should end where you can see where the tile and the cement meet. And Aguilar is going to be covered eventually with flooring in the future. But that's where I'm hoping right here the wallpaper will end. So it kind of frames the window. So that is what should be happening today. And if we're lucky, we will get some good footage. And right now, Mr. Melvin is in the kitchen getting ready to make my dreams come true with the second set of wallpaper. So I will go ahead and get finished when it's all said and done. All right, so we have the first strip up. Okay, so here is the finished product. So we skipped this area because I ran out of enough wallpaper. So we had enough to go ahead and frame the windows. And even though I'm like most people, like, it's not even on both sides. The fact of the matter, like, the cabinets are going to be over here. So actually it should work out just fine. So yeah, so now I'm thinking about like what color I should get for the curtain. I would like to do like a Roman shade here. And also for these other small windows too. But yeah. Okay, so I also want to show you guys like this here is the hexagon tile. It's in a matte black, and the gold, although you can't see because it's covered, the shower floor is this hexagon, and also the bathroom floor will also be in this hexagon. So once the floor is finished, you kind of see a little bit more of the vision coming together. And I'm going to have a black vanity and a black toilet. And my features, I'm either going to have them be brass or gold. And so, yeah, so this is pretty much the theme for the bathroom. Okay, so here's a little sneak peek of the finished wallpaper. As you can see, this is the tile. I ended up getting this tile from Home Depot, and I'm still finishing putting that up. But as you can see, the wallpaper is now installed. And I went through Thumbtack to have the wallpaper installed. And the wallpaper, his name is Melvin. I will leave his information below, but it is so beautiful. I know it would be nice if I took this off, you get a better shot, but I think when the things are all said and done and I have the vanity and the mirror and the tile is finished, you get a better concept of what it really looks like.